Hey Etsy sellers and buyers, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of opening a case on Etsy. Whether you are a seller with a customer issue or a buyer who received a damaged item, knowing how to open a case is crucial, so we've got you covered. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so you might need to open a case on Etsy because maybe you haven't received the item you ordered within the expected delivery time and the seller is very unresponsive or uncooperative, or the item you receive significantly differs from its description in the terms of its appearance, condition, or functionality. Also, the item might have arrived damaged, defective, or in poor condition, so the seller is not willing to address the issue. Now is your time to open the case. So how do we do with that? Well, first, you're gonna go to Etsy.com. Right now, I'm using Google Chrome as my type of browser, but if you're using Safari, Opera, Firefox, Brave, it's okay. It's all compatible. Now log into Etsy.com with your credentials and hover here to your account in purchases and reviews. All right. Okay. Normally, if you already purchased an item in Etsy, you'll see them here. Okay. But since I don't have one, so it's empty, as well as the cases. Say you have closed cases and all cases. So here's how you can open a case. So right now I don't have any open case reported by myself. All right, so when we hover here we can't do it. All right, since we don't have an item purchase yet, but don't worry, because here at the help center, here's how we can open a case. All right, first off, you choose your order. So if you contacted the seller more than 48 hours ago, or you can choose to open a case, so Etsy can help you. For qualifying orders, you will receive a refund for any item that doesn't arrives damaged, or doesn't match the item description or photos, right? And if you still have problems with the navigation process, I suggest you go to the live chat agent here. They have 24/7 support, and you can talk to them, and they will guide you through on how to basically open a case. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.